Hello, college and tutor. I going to solve a question from Unit 1, Take 2.
What's your name?
My name is Viviana Bedocha.
How do you spell your family name? How do you spell your family name?
My last name is spelled Bedoya.
Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
In this moment, I am studying.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
Of course, I would like to know Mexico and this culture.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I like to play basketball in my spare time.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
I like to listen to music in English and also watch movies with subtitles.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
I would like to learn to sing and to play instruments. Thank you, college and tutor.